Hi guys, today I want to show you how to get free Microsoft Office 2021. Firstly, you have to get all of those files. Those files link will be available on my Discord server. After that, open the folder and then you have to take a look here. So if you only need basic Microsoft applications like Word or PowerPoint or Excel, run install name it with basic. But if you need for Microsoft apps, just run the installer name it without basics. So I only need basic Microsoft apps here. I will run the installer name it with basic. Also, my operating system is x64. And then just wait until the installation process is completed. I'm gonna skip this process until it's nearly completed. Alright, we're back. The installation process is almost completed. So after the installation process is completed, you can't just close this tab by pressing any keys on your keyboard. And then now you can see that the installation process has been completed. We have the PowerPoint apps here, but we don't have the Microsoft license. So to get the Microsoft license, you have to run this batch file, and run it as an administrator. Okay, after this tags appears, the product activation successful. It means that your Microsoft license you already have Microsoft license. You can test now if we got Microsoft license. Right, you guys can see it. Right, that's it for this video. Goodbye.